I've pulled up to the Flat Top Trail, which I've hiked up Flat Top a few times, and I've made a couple videos of me hiking up Flat Top. But there is a spot that it is called Falling Water Cascades Trail. All together, a 2-mile loop. I have never been on this trail before, so I don't know what these cascades look like, but I am hoping they are worth the trip. I can tell that nobody's walked this trail in a while. It's spider webs hitting my face, getting stuck to me, but what's new, right? Spider webs love my face. I'm going to tell you a little story as I walk to the overlook and the cascades. Back when I started hiking, I noticed that trails were barely used. You would have a lot of seclusion and a lot of space to yourself and not have to worry about people or crowds and all of this jazz. Since the pandemic, it has been so many people out on the trail. Trail erosion is very bad. Park resources are being stretched. Even the park rangers are having to have a morale boost because the strain. Many of these hikers aren't experienced. They don't know trail etiquette. So you start finding a lot more trash and a lot more trampling of plant life than normal because these people don't know the effects of it and they just go out because there's really nothing else to do right now. So my message to you is please be respectful of nature. Pick up your trash, leave no trace. And if you see trash on the trail, pick that up and take it back with you. Even if it's not yours, you'll be doing the earth a favor and all of the animals around it a favor as well. You know, I would go up there, but right there is a hornet's nest, and I don't feel like getting stung by a bunch of hornets while I'm wearing shorts. Yeah, that hornet's nest ruins it for me. I'm going back the other way. Heading back up to the car currently. That was a nice little scenic cascade. It's multiple levels and multiple trails that take you to the different levels, so you don't have to actually climb up the rocks to see it. I had the whole cascade to myself. Haven't met a single person on the trail yet, and I hope I just didn't jinx myself, but this was a nice, peaceful, secluded hike. If you enjoy these hikes, enjoy these videos, seeing these amazing natural places and witnessing the healing properties and the feelings that they give you, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. That will help me get my videos out there so the whole world can see. As always, thank you for watching. Peace, love, and have a great day wherever you may be.